Good morning. I am Suni, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Now, I am going to teach the topic Contour Integration Type 1, the course MA 8251 Engineering Mathematics 2. The course outcome is, after completing the course, the students able to evaluate real integral. Type 1, integration around the unit circle. That is, integrals of the form integral 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta sin theta d theta, where f is a rational function of cos theta and sin theta. To evaluate this type of integrals, we take the unit circle mod z equal to 1 as the contour C. So, for mod z equal to 1, let me take z equal to e power I theta and differentiate with respect to theta, we get d z by d theta, that is I into e power I theta, that is I z. From this, d theta equal to d z by I z. And cos theta value is obtained as e power I theta plus e power minus I theta divided by 2. If we substitute e power I theta as z and e power minus I theta as 1 by z, we get cos theta value as z square plus 1 divided by 2z. Similarly, the sin theta value is e power I theta minus e power minus I theta divided by 2i. If we replace e power I theta by z and e power minus I theta by 1 by z, we get sin theta value as z square minus 1 divided by 2zi. Now, here the limit 0 to 2 pi is changes as mod z equal to 1. Now, we convert the integral 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta sin theta d theta as integral over c f of z square plus 1 divided by 2z and z square minus 1 divided by 2iz dz by iz. Now, we solve the problems. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 5 plus 4 sin theta using contour integration. This is type 1 because the integrand contains sin theta and the limit is from 0 to 2 pi. So, we give the substitution z equal to e power I theta and d theta as dz by iz and sin theta as z square minus 1 divided by 2zi. Now, giving this substitution, the integral ranges as integral over c. In the place of d theta, we give dz by iz, and in the place of sin theta, we replace by z square minus 1 divided by 2z, where c is mod z equal to 1. Now, we cancel this 4 and 2 and take the LCM. The LCM is iz, then the first term becomes 5iz. Simplify, we get z square minus dz divided by 2z square plus 5iz minus 2. Consider this integrand as f of z. So, this becomes integral over c f of z dz, where f of z equal to 1 by 2z square plus 5iz minus 2. Now, we want to evaluate integral over c f of z dz. For that, first we find out the poles. For that, we set the denominator value as 0, that is 2z square plus 5iz minus 2 equal to 0. From this, z value is obtained by the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is the coefficient of z square and b is the coefficient of z and c is the constant term. And giving the values of a, b and c, we get z value as minus 5i plus or minus 3i divided by 4. Then we splitted this as minus 5i plus 3i divided by 4 and minus 5i minus 3i divided by 4. So, we get the value of z as minus I by 2 and minus 2i. These are the poles of order 1. The next step, we want to check the poles are inside or outside for a given curve mod z equal to 1. So, consider the first pole z equal to minus I by 2. Then give this value to this left side mod z. In this replace z by minus I by 2. And modulus of minus I by 2 value is 1 by 2. Compare with this right side, it is less than 1. So we say that the point minus I by 2 lies inside the curve C. Now consider the next pole z equal to minus 2i, then substitute the value z in the left side of the given curve. So mod z equal to modulus of minus 2i, modulus minus 2i value is 2, then compare this with right side 1, it is greater than 1. So we say that the pole z equal to minus 2i lies outside C. Then for the outside pole, the residue value is 0. So next we calculate the residue for the inside pole z equal to minus I by 2. It is a pole of order 1. So the residue of f of z at z equal to minus I by 2 is obtained as limit z tends to minus I by 2 z minus I by 2, that is z plus I by 2 into f of z. Now we write f of z value and express this denominator as the linear factor of the poles. So f of z becomes 1 by 2 into z plus I by 2 into z plus 2i. Then cancel z plus I by 2 and z plus I by 2 and we give z value as minus I by 2, we get the value of the residue as 1 by 3i. Then by Cauchy's integral theorem, the value of the integral f of z dz equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. Then the sum of residues, we give the residue value 1 by 3i, so we get 2 pi by 3. Now we substitute the value in equation 1. So we get integral over the given question is 2 pi by 3. Now some important questions in this topics are: thank you.